Hi guys, I hope your day is going well. So today I'm just going to do a quick DIY for beginners who are starting into making the resin or starting a resin letter business. To get your letters pretty clear or to get your bubbles out, you should heat up some water and then pour your part A in the cup and then put it into the water to decrease the bubbles. It'll thin out your part A some. Today I'm using some rose gold foil or leaf flakes, some rose petals, and I have some rose gold heart charms. I suggest you get a handheld drill. I use the manual or what you say hand one for so long that once I got the actual mechanical drill, I never went back to the hand one. So it makes the job pretty easy. It's a great investment. Here I'm going to use UV resin because I have children and I've made keychains in the past for the screw-in eye pin comes out. So it's best to either make up another batch of resin or get you some UV resin and cure it under light. I prefer the UV resin because it doesn't take that long. But cured under light, it ensures that it is glued in there. I don't use E6000 because it has a very high odor. Although UV resin has a odor to it, the E6000 seems like it has a higher odor. So I prefer doing this. Maybe you can use some school glue, but I prefer the UV resin as it is resin as well so that it doesn't come out. Or you may want to also invest in some super glue, but I don't use that as well because I know it can get on my hand and then my hand starts to stick together. So that's why I prefer the UV resin. I just use a regular nail lamp as I can get like 5 or 6 under them and it cures pretty quickly. I prefer about 100 seconds. That way I know it's pretty well and done. I suggest you invest in 2 pliers because you never want to pinch your jump ring closed. That's the jump ring now that I'm putting on there. I'm getting ready to close now.